In this video, we're going to walk through how to use Bring Your Own Meeting Mode, or BYOM, on your ThinkSmart Core Gen 2. With BYOM, you can connect your own laptop and run meetings with your preferred conferencing platform while using the room's professional audio and video equipment. BYOM is turned off on the ThinkSmart Core Gen 2. You can enable it in one of two ways, either by using a PowerShell script or through the ThinkSmart Manager portal. Links to detailed steps for both methods will be provided in the video description. To enable BYOM through PowerShell, run the appropriate command. If no BIOS password is configured, use the standard enable command. If a BIOS password is already set, you will need to include that password in the command. To enable through ThinkSmart Manager, first sign into the portal. After signing in, locate your ThinkSmart Core Gen 2 in the device list, select Configuration, and then Device, and then under BYOM Configurations, set the port mode to the recommended USB Peripherals and Display selection. This will activate BYOM mode by default. If the device has a BIOS password, you will be prompted to enter it during this process. When you enable or disable BYOM, a restart is not required as long as you are not modifying other port configurations. Once enabled, connect your laptop to the BYOM USB-C port on the back of the ThinkSmart Core Gen 2. A prompt will appear asking if you want to switch to BYOM mode. Confirm the prompt, and your laptop will use the room's camera, microphone, speakers, and display during the meeting. If you choose to cancel the prompt, the system will remain in the current Unified Communications application, and the prompt will not appear again until the laptop is disconnected and reconnected. If you would like to learn more about your ThinkSmart device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to smartsupport.lenovo.com.